Today's sophisticated digital world of 2025 has triggered hackers to develop advanced account intrusion methods, combining modern technology advances with human behavioral weaknesses. This text will explore the current cybercriminal tactics alongside methods for defending your Snapchat account from these dangers. AI-powered phishing attacks are one of the main strategies hackers will employ in 2025. This type of attack continues to get more deceptive daily. Through AI, attackers can create customized messages that appear as if they come from official Snapchat communications. The deceptive messages lead users to counterfeit login forms purposely constructed to steal their login data. The AI system adjusts its output automatically while running, making fake messages almost impossible to detect as different from genuine communications. Credential stuffing has emerged as a common cyber attack practice. Hackers exploit extensive databases of password and username combinations obtained from other services to enter Snapchat accounts. Using the same password on multiple sites makes your account vulnerable to attack. Individuals who intend to attack Snapchat accounts in 2025 will use advanced automated tools to pre-process credential tests within seconds. Swapping has evolved into a key danger that afflicts users. The mobile carrier network has vulnerabilities that hackers exploit to take over your phone number. The hijackers who obtain your phone number can outmaneuver two-factor authentication to breach your Snapchat account. This method poses an extreme danger because hackers need only phone number access instead of demanding a password. Deepfake voice technology operates as a new hacking tool for 2025. A handful of audio taken from your social media can get hackers to duplicate your voice. An imitated voice lets hackers make service representatives reset your account access credentials and obtain complete control of your account. The technology behind malware and spyware programs has progressed significantly. Hackers distribute electronic malicious software or hyperlinks that trigger software downloads that damage your device. The installed software tracks your typed data while also recording your screen activity and microphone and camera functionality, which enables hackers to gather your Snapchat login credentials along with private media. Your Snapchat account requires complete security protection because threats have become more aggressive. Start by enabling two-factor authentication, or 2FA. Two-factor authentication offers additional defensive security measures and requires users to enter verification codes beyond passwords for authentication. Look for authenticator apps instead of SMS-based 2FA, since authenticator apps protect you from SIM swapping threats. Step 1 in securing your Snapchat profile requires establishing an original password with complex characteristics. Do not duplicate your passwords with other service accounts. You should implement a password manager to create robust passwords that you can save in a protected space. Be vigilant against phishing attempts. Therefore, you must double-check whether emails or messages come from the Snapchat platform. You should never click on doubtful links nor give away your login data to unverified websites. Keep your apps and operating system updated, as this will expose all security holes through released patches. It also helps to install an antivirus solution from a trustworthy provider that will identify and remove malware from your system. Regularly check your Snapchat account to detect abnormal events and suspicious activity. When you encounter anything strange on your Snapchat account, including unknown logins or modifications to your settings, you should immediately change your password and reach out to Snapchat support through a different communication channel. The fight between users and hackers will reach its greatest intensity in 2025. Your accountability, along with information awareness, will help you defend your Snapchat account and maintain digital protection. The essential factor in cybersecurity exists equally between technological understanding and constant caution and knowledge.